Today I'm going to explain about nucleic acids. So there are two types of nucleic acids. They are DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. First, let me explain about DNA. So DNA is present in chromosomes. Chromosomes are present in the nucleus. Nucleus is present in the cell, and cell is the basic unit of an organism. Okay, so organisms are made up of cells. Cell contain nucleus. Nucleus contain chromosomes. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and a protein called histone. So DNA contain genes. These genes are responsible for genetical characters. Structure of DNA. Watson and Crick proposed the double helix structure of DNA. So according to double helix structure, DNA is having two strands which are helically coiled each other. The two strands are anti-parallel to each other and they are helically coiled. And each strand of DNA is a polymer of nucleotides. So what is a polymer? Polymer is a complex molecule which is made up of simple molecules called monomers. Here nucleotide is a monomer of DNA. And each nucleotide is made up of three types of chemical components. They are nitrogen bases, sugar, and phosphate. Here the sugar present in DNA is deoxyribo sugar. That's why it is named as deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay. So the nitrogen bases are of four. There are four nitrogen bases in DNA. They are adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. Adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. Okay. Here adenine and guanine are known as purines, whereas thymine and cytosines are known as pyrimidines. Right? So always purine binds with pyrimidine. Okay. Adenine is a purine. It always binds with a pyrimidine called thymine. Okay. And hydrogen bonds are present between nitrogen bases. So adenine and thymine are binded with two hydrogen bonds, whereas guanine and cytosine are binded with three hydrogen bonds. Right. So the bond between nitrogen bases is constant. That means adenine always binds with thymine and vice versa. The same way guanine always binds with cytosine and vice versa. Right. Now the sugar binds with nitrogen base to form nucleoside. So the combination of nitrogen base and sugar is known as a nucleoside. Okay, and it is known as glycosidic bond. The bond is known as glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond is present between nitrogen base and sugar. Hydrogen bonds are present between nitrogen bases. Now this nucleoside binds with phosphate to form nucleotide. So nucleotide is a combination of nitrogen base, sugar, and phosphate. See, phosphodiester bond is present between two adjacent nucleotides. Right. So many nucleotides form one strand of DNA. Such two strands form DNA molecule. Here this is known as groove or one helix. So one